Good morning and welcome to George the Indian Farmer. It's rainy season here in Kerala. Most of you might have heard of the monsoon. It starts from Kerala and advances to other parts of India. Right now, it's the first week of August and it's around 9:45 a.m. You can see it's raining. And in Kerala, in the monsoon, we have a month called Karkkidakam. It usually falls in the middle of July and extends to August for 1 month. We have the Malayalam month called Karkkidakam. It usually rains in this month and sometimes it rains heavily. You all know that normally the monsoon starts in June and ends somewhere in the end of August. So July and to the mid of August will be heavy rainy season. So this is an old vessel which we call Vattaga here in Kerala, which we use for agricultural purposes, mainly for boiling the rice paddy. We harvest the paddy, then get the grains and then boil in this big vessel to get the rice out of it. So I am keeping this on my terrace to collect rainwater for the dry season for all my plants you see here on my terrace. So there is a saying here in Kerala that during this rainy season and especially in this month, we get 1,000 sunshine and 1,000 rains. It actually means it rains all the time and in between there is sunshine. So it rains for a while, then the sun comes up, the sun fades away, it starts raining again. Then it stops, the sun rises again it starts raining. So it's a nice thing to watch if you don't have any job. Anyway, you can see my Chinese potatoes, all lush green. They are enjoying the rain. Just planted about 2 or 3 weeks ago. Here are some cowpeas which has to be replanted. Some nice green chili plants. I have my herbs here, lemon basil, and on the farther end there are ginger, and ahead of that mint. So all these things are very happy in this rain. They soak in all the freshness of the monsoon, especially the water, and they grow lush and green. And come September, October, it's time for harvesting some of them, especially the Chinese potato. After 5 months you can harvest the Chinese potato, and it's one of the favorite vegetables of Malayalis. So we have the chilies, there is a lemon plant which hasn't flowered yet. Then there are gingers, mints, and more of chilies. And there is cowpea. To my right side there is a small breeze. You can see them swaying in the breeze. It's nice. Monsoon is very good to watch if you are away from work, I mean, right now I am working from home, so I have the freedom of enjoying the monsoon. So the rain has slowed down and there is a small breeze. You can see the trees are swaying, plants are shaking their head happily, and it will start to rain intense and thorough after some time, I hope. I love rains. It's nice to watch it rain outside. I know most of you also love rain. So now, if you look at this, you can see the frequency and intensity of the rain. Thank you for watching.